Harmanpreet Kaur, the captain of India, the captain of an Indian team that has won their very first Women's Cricket World Cup. She is going to get the trophy off the ICC President Jay Shah. It is the women in blue. Time to get behind your team. The Indian women's cricket team with their very first ICC Women's Cricket World Cup trophy.
The champions.